In this tutorial, you will learn how vCDMstudio connects INCA to the calibration process with vCDM. Prerequisite is an existing project and permissions thereof. This video is intended for calibration engineers. vCDM integrates the online calibration tool INCA into the calibration process. Vector offers its own online calibration tool called Canapé. We recommend using Canapé as it offers direct integration with vCDM. The cost of ownership for the joint online and offline calibration solution is lower. This is a vCDM server calibration project downloaded to vCDMstudio's local dataset management. Such connected datasets are available on the local PC even if there is no connection to the vCDM server. If you don't know how to download datasets, please check the video tutorial on importing with Canapé and vCDMstudio. To make the datasets available in INCA, simply select the desired datasets and send them to INCA. The ECU project is created or updated in INCA with the identical folder structure and can be used for the online calibration session. Once the online session is completed, simply pull the latest revision back to vCDMstudio. vCDMstudio offers powerful functions to review your calibrations. It's an easy filter for changed parameters or your work package. For more information on the capabilities of vCDMstudio, please check the tutorial video for vCDMstudio. Simply copy the changes that you want to submit to the vCDM server to your vCDM baseline dataset. Once you have finished your review, select Upload Changes to import the change set to the vCDM server calibration project. vCDM helps you to secure data quality. It checks all imported data based on its validation framework. The option Required Data Quality defines if warnings or errors are allowed. Please also refer to the tutorial video Approve and Merge. vCDM also supports the eCDM interface to connect INCA with vCDM.